What's good, YouTube? Welcome back on my channel. Tech here, back again for another video. For today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install Popcorn app on your iOS device without using a PC, without using a jailbroken device. This is just legit, and you won't have to go to any type of human verification using this method. So here's Popcorn app open right now. I'm just trying to show you that it's actually legit and working on my machine right now. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going ahead to delete Popcorn app, and you're going to start the tutorial and show you how I just installed this app on my iOS device, because most of the people require this, and the last tutorial didn't actually work pretty much for everyone. So I decided to remake this tutorial and to make it easy for everyone to be able to download and install Popcorn app on their iOS device. So here's App Valley. I just went to my on my browser on App Valley right here. So the first thing you guys will see when you go to App Valley will be this page right now, www.appvalley.vip. I'll leave the link in the description below. After that, you have to go to app and click on tweak app, click on CO. Now you'll see all this app. Just scroll down until you see Popcorn app. While scrolling down, you'll see what type of app, but scroll down until you see Popcorn app. There it is, Popcorn app. Now you have to click on get. Or if you guys don't want to do this, all you have to do is click on the search button and search for Popcorn app, but that doesn't work for everyone, so I just decided to do this the easiest way. So all you have to do, go back app and click on get Popcorn app right now, and you'll be able to get Popcorn app right away. So here's the pop-up. Just click on install. It's going to be installing right away. So I'm just going to go back. It will take some time depending on your internet connection before it shows up. I'm just waiting for it to show up, and it's definitely going to show up. Alright, right there it is. Let me just move it to the other screen so that you guys will be able to see it properly. So there is Popcorn app, and right now it is installing on my iOS device. I'm going to let it install for a moment, for a bit, and we will be back after this app is done installing on my iOS device. So guys, there it is. Popcorn app has finished installing on my iOS device, and I just opened it, and right now it's running. The first screen you guys will see will be the screen of all the term of condition. All the term and services of service. I don't know if anyone will read it, but usually you just go right there and accept it. So here it is, Popcorn app on my iOS device running as well on. It can also run on your iOS device if you install it and use the method here. So I'll just leave the link in the description below for App Valley so that you guys can go ahead and download it. And this method is actually, you have to do it very fast, because I'm thinking that App Valley will be getting revoked very fast. So you guys should go ahead and download this app on your iOS device as soon as you see this tutorial. So here is App Valley. Here is Popcorn app. I'm just going to play one of the tutorials one of the videos right here. And I'm going to show you that all the movies and TV shows you can actually add here. If you guys would like to customize it to search, you would like to search movies and all this other stuff, you can download TV shows on Popcorn app. You can actually also see the current TV shows downloading. You can also change the languages and all the other settings in Popcorn app. You can customize it to however you want. You can watch movies and TV shows on your cellular data or using your Wi-Fi, so you can also choose all that. I'm just going to choose here my preset language, which is English right now, and English is now my preset language. So I'm just going to go back and try to play one of the videos right now, one of the movies, to show you guys that actual Popcorn app is running on my iOS device smoothly without any revoke, and this will actually work for everyone, I'm sure. So here it is, Popcorn app on my iOS device. I'm just going to click on play, and I'll choose the resolution right here. I'll choose 720p just for this tutorial to be fast, for it to be fast. So I'm just going to run and leave this running to show you guys that it's actually working, and we'll be back after this starts playing. So as you guys can see, the movie started playing on my device right now. It's now playing. I'm watching the Galaxy, something like that. So it started playing on my device right now. So this makes sure that will work for all devices. If you have any problem, so just leave the comment below. I'll do as the same. I'll try to help you all before you comment and try to answer everything. So if you guys really did enjoy this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like the video, and don't forget to share it and turn on the post notification so that you'll get notified the next time I post a video.